Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone, wow, she has some extremely long hair here. The stylist just cuts that hair right off, gets to work, and does a beautiful shoulder length bob. So it looks like we might have another layered haircut style here for the next one. She's getting some color. Oh, wow, beautiful chocolate brown hue, and the ends are a little bit lighter. I love that look. So here we have someone, it looks like she's in for a cut refresh. Doing more of an asymmetrical pixie here. There is the before. There is the after. So cute. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. Alright, so moving right along. Ooh, whoa, I love the dramatic switch up. Beautiful reddish brown pixie with the curls. Wow. Absolutely breathtaking. So here we have someone getting one of the hottest haircuts. I've been seeing this haircut everywhere, and that is definitely the mullet style. Followed by this cute pixie. Does feature some platinum going there in the bangs. Nice little summer refresh. And then we got another switch up with this pixie. Beautiful dark pixie color. So cute. So here we have someone playing hair roulette. She ended up getting a bob. Oh, followed by another gorgeous layered style and a cut refresh. Oh, this pixie is so chic and cute. I love it. Oh, we got a top here. Wow. Okay. Oh, she got a pixie. Wow. I was not expecting that one. So we have someone with mid-length hair. You get a nice little shoulder length layered cut here. Wow, look at all those layers. Definitely a bit of drama. Okay, so we got another big chop here. Oh, another pixie. Wow. She looks perfect with the short hair. So many different variations. It seems like she's just going shorter and shorter. So here we have a color change. Oh, she did the rainbow bangs. Oh, that is so cute. So then we have someone with a bob who decided to go blonde. Another layered style, layered bob. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the chic bangs in front. So it looks like we have a, oh, okay. I thought he was gonna do a little bit of a trim, but he is going short. Cutting some bangs in the front. Oh, wow. So next up, we got the short hair king. He is phenomenal at doing the shorter hairstyles, particularly the bobs he's really good at. So here he is cutting another one. Beautiful bob with bangs. That seems to be a very popular hairstyle I have noticed within this video. The bob with bangs is definitely trending. So it looks like we have a mini bob cut here. Oh, that's cute. Now this is a great option if you want to get a pixie, but you want a little bit of hair to play around with. I think the mini bob is the perfect solution. It's a great in-between size and shape that you can wear your hair. Wow, so cute. I am in love with this look. Alright you guys, thank you for checking out another video. I hope you enjoyed all of these hairstyles. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.